Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a kitchen clean and decluttering. I am going to be doing the KonMari method. Going to get rid of everything I don't need. I'm going to get rid of so much. So let's get started. So I am going to start off with cleaning the kitchen. It's not too bad because this is right before I go pick up my other kiddos. So I've done a lot already from this morning, but I'm going to clean up so I can start getting rid of some things. I am the type that I have to clean up everything before I start working in here. Even if I make dinner, I have got to clean up all the dishes before I start making dinner. Are you guys like that too? Let me know in the comments below. I love to clean my sink. I love the Barkeeper's Friend as well as the Mrs. Meyer's cream cleanser. I feel like this is just so relaxing and so satisfying for me personally. I love cleaning my sink and it just makes the whole kitchen feel so clean. So I don't keep many things on my countertops. I'm going to put the toaster away and then start wiping everything down. I like a very cleaned off countertop. I don't like a lot of clutter, so that is why I put that away. I will say real quick that the paint on these cabinets is holding up very, very well. I need to get a small pint of paint, but until then I have been using a painter pen and I will show that to you. I have 5 kids, 2 dogs, no, 1 dog, 2 cats, and there are little nicks on it. I knew it was going to happen, so using that little painter pen just helps just cover the nicks up just a little bit so it doesn't spread anymore. Here is the pen. I got this from Walmart. You can get them anywhere. I believe it is an oil-based pen. It is permanent. And I feel like it blends pretty well just for a little dot of paint. And if you guys have been with me for a while, you know my kiddos have been playing with their kinetic sand and Play-Doh. So this table is forever cluttered and messy, but honestly I don't really mind because it keeps them completely content and happy, and that is fine with me. If you have some strong-willed kids that are often bored and looking for something to do off of the tablet and electronics, kinetic sand and Play-Doh will be your best friend. I am using plain old Windex. I am a sucker for the original. I just love it, and that is what I will continue to use as my glass cleaner. Let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite cleaner for glass and mirrors? Now I am going to be cleaning the stainless steel. I use the Method spray. I like this a lot. I will say that I struggle with having the kids' art on the refrigerator. I love to see their cute little creations, but I hate the clutter. So I have a little section where my command section, my command center that I did a video on a while back, and you'll see it. I like to put their stuff over there, but Josiah was super excited about the parrot he drew, and Noah loved his Valentine's Day gift to me, and I did too, so I went ahead and put them on the fridge just for a little while. Now onto the fun stuff. I am going to pull everything out and just get rid of whatever I no longer need, have use for, have doubles of, or haven't used in a long time. I've mentioned before, I have done this numerous times. I do this a couple of times a year, but I want to take it a step further because I keep seeing things that don't need to be there. This has been a really eye-opening process for me, especially going through my closet, just to be aware of what and where you spend your money. I am a sucker for a clearance rack. I love getting something for a really great deal, but the reality is more times than not, it'll just sit in my closet for what if, or the one day I want to wear it. And sometimes I don't, and I don't want to waste space, and I don't want to waste money. I don't want to buy things that I don't have an immediate purpose for anymore. So that is what this process has really helped me just helped me really get confident in, so I'm able to get rid of more things. The bins you see here are from the Dollar Tree. I use these types of bins in my cabinets, and I love them. It's perfect to put your plastic lids in, and then the other box is just for the kids' lunch boxes and supplies for anything that goes with their lunch boxes. I also have another bin that stacks on top of each other, which is also from the Dollar Tree. If you guys are getting some serious motivation from this video and you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to subscribe before you go. Also, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to turn on your bell notifications. It is completely free to subscribe. It just lets you know that I am posting another video. That is all it is. So I definitely don't want you guys to miss out on a thing, and I will have a ton more videos like this. I hope you guys are enjoying it. If you guys haven't been in the dollar store lately, they have a ton of new colors, including aqua, some really beautiful fuchsia, magenta colors, navy, and gray. So you guys gotta go check the Dollar Tree out. They have so many awesome containers. One thing I will say is I always use what I have for my storage. As you can see, I'm using this container here for the upright type of bottles, and it just helps save money, and it fits in there perfectly already. My goal is to invest in some of those pull-out drawers that you can put in your existing cabinets. I think that would make so much sense and help out in here so much. Now onto the drawers. I am just going to tidy this up, get rid of things I don't need, and just start putting things back properly. I was able to get rid of so much more, you guys. I mean, I really don't know how I accumulate so many kitchen utensils. All of these small little bins are from the dollar store as well, except for that teal colored one that came in a pack, I think of 2 or 3 from Walmart. You will find that the Dollar Tree has great deals, but when it comes to some of the smaller baskets, it's definitely better to go to Walmart. I have noticed, like with the clear shoe boxes, 100% Walmart and Target are cheaper. I believe they are 95 cents or 96 cents from Walmart and Target, and that's where I get all my clear bins, and I have so many of them. For Christmas, Chris got me the copper pans, and I have been obsessed with them. I think it is definitely better than the green pan. I like the green pan a lot, but after a couple of uses, I feel like things start to stick on them. The good thing about the green pan is if you contact them via the website, they'll send you a new one for free. No questions asked. That's really awesome, but I don't want to continue to contact them. So I've been using the copper pans. Those have been great. I would like to invest in more, especially of like the cookie sheets and everything, because ours were so nasty and I finally just got rid of them. To any of my 90s friends remember Tetris? That is what it feels like when I am organizing things. I feel like I'm playing a game of Tetris. Always be willing to move things around like I'm doing. Just because it looks great when you originally do it doesn't mean it has to stay there. Definitely move things around, see what fits better. Don't be scared of moving stuff from place to place. My husband tells me all the time, can't things just stay in one spot? Well, no, they can't. I always will find a better place and a better way to do things, and you just gotta have to go with the flow. I was able to knock out all of this in about an hour. That includes cleaning and vacuuming and then organizing everything. I am definitely on top of it, and I stay on top of it, but there were a few things that was catching my eye that I knew I needed to get rid of. Okay, you guys, here is everything I got rid of. The blender, like I had mentioned, the vases, some really nice pots that I'm just not going to use, old cookie sheets, quite a few things. Definitely didn't need to keep it any longer, and it makes space for new stuff. I also vacuumed out the cabinets, and so I got rid of some of the dust and the little toast particles in there. Got all of the bins there. I have everything nicely organized. Look how cleaned out it looks when you know there's a lid for all of your plasticware. It's amazing. I am very pleased with the way everything turned out. Let me know in the comments below what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed this clean with me and this KonMari style decluttering and organization. It doesn't spark joy. Don't hold on to it, let it go. So that is what I'm doing, and every time I do this, I can get rid of a little bit more. So don't feel like you have to have a huge stash that you're getting rid of. It takes time. So little steps make big progress. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe.